you're all right. Today is National Coffee Cake Day, apparently, and I've shared my recipe, but I'm going to just remind you, when you're using nuts in a cake or in biscuits, buy ready chopped mixed nuts and then we'll just roast them. You can't tell the difference and they're a third of the price of whole nuts. And now I'm going to show you how to augment your nuts, your whole nuts, to decorate your cake. Here we go. Chopped nuts that are going into the cake, I'm just dry roasting until they're a golden brown and then tip them onto kitchen roll to cool. And then with the whole nuts for decoration, put them in that pan, give them a scattering of icing sugar, and then when that's melted, a knob of butter. And what you'll get is a glorious, glorious, glossy finish to the nuts. They taste absolutely amazing, and then you can thoroughly enjoy my coffee cake.